Hello and welcome to this video about how ChatGPT can help you write a professional resume. As a large language model trained by OpenAI, ChatGPT has extensive knowledge and expertise in a wide range of fields, including resume writing. In this video, we'll explore how ChatGPT can assist you in creating a standout resume. Using ChatGPT for resume writing is simple and straightforward. You can start by providing ChatGPT with basic information about yourself, such as your name, education, and work experience. You can also provide ChatGPT with information about the type of job you're interested in and any specific requirements or qualifications for that job. Based on this information, ChatGPT will generate a customized resume for you. You can then review the resume, make any necessary edits or revisions, and download it in a variety of formats. As you can see, this provides a template for data science-related field. When it comes to resume writing, ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool. Here are some of the benefits of using ChatGPT for resume writing. ChatGPT can help you identify relevant skills, experiences, and achievements to include in your resume. ChatGPT can provide you with suggestions for appropriate formatting and structure for your resume. ChatGPT can help you tailor your resume to a specific job posting or industry. ChatGPT can help you create compelling and effective bullet points for your work experience and projects. In conclusion, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for anyone looking to create a professional and effective resume. Its advanced language processing capabilities and extensive knowledge make it a valuable resource for job seekers in any industry. I copy all the resume format and will paste it in Google Docs. For those who don't know Google Docs, basically this works same like Microsoft Word, but for this you don't need to install any additional software. Just type Google Docs in Google search engine, and you are ready to go. Here I can edit the resume format for my desire and can add multiple styles like bold, italic, underline, also can add images. You can see the result form here. You save this resume in different formats like text, Word, or PDF. If you like my video, don't forget subscribe to the channel.